What's the first thing you notice when using the Galaxy Z Flip 7's cover screen? If you said the size, you're right, but it's not just bigger, it's smarter too, especially when it comes to using the camera. Samsung didn't just stop at giving the Flip 7 a 4.1-inch cover display that stretches edge to edge. They also made sure it offers you more control right where it matters. And that means you can now use more camera features without even opening the phone. Sounds simple, but this change can completely transform how you take pictures and videos on the go. The cover screen now has an upgraded version of the stock camera app, which comes packed with controls that are easier to access and use. Imagine being able to zoom in and out, check the last photo you took, or switch to a different mode with just a quick swipe all on that small screen. The zoom button doesn't just flip between wide angle and main camera anymore. Tap it once and you'll see 2x for X and 10x zoom options. If you're someone who likes getting the framing just right, there's even a hidden slider. You just swipe up on the presets and it appears, letting you fine-tune the zoom just how you want it. Then there are the quick controls. Just one tap and you unlock options like flash, timer, filters, resolution settings for both photo and video, and even motion photo. You don't have to dig into the phone's settings anymore. Everything's right there on the cover screen. And here's the best part. You can move all of these controls from the left side of the screen to the right if that feels more natural. Samsung really thought this through, especially for one-handed use. Whether you're right-handed or left-handed, this flexibility makes things smoother. And it's not just the Flip 7 getting this treatment. Samsung confirmed that even the more affordable Galaxy Z Flip 7 will include this enhanced camera interface. Plus, Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 users won't be left behind either. These improvements are coming to them with the One UI 8.0 update, which means Samsung is making sure its older foldables keep feeling fresh. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 also saw some neat upgrades, though a bit different from the Flips. Changes: instead of camera controls on a small screen, the Fold 7 enhances the editing process on its big inner screen. Now, you can view the edited and original versions of a photo side by side inside the image editor, which is super useful if you're tweaking a lot of photos and want to compare before and after in real time. Altogether, it's clear that Samsung is no longer just competing with other brands, it's competing with itself, pushing its own limits every year. These are the kinds of updates that don't make headlines but definitely make your day-to-day use feel way better. So whether you're someone who takes selfies, makes short videos, or just loves taking quick snaps, these camera UI improvements are designed to help you do more, faster, and without opening the phone. And if you're already using a Flip 5 or Flip 6, keep an eye out for that One UI 8.0 update. It might make your phone feel brand new again. Thanks for sticking around to learn about these quiet but powerful changes. If you want more updates like this, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.